Hello and welcome to my first unboxing video. This is a northern Thai dish called Aep, and it consists of a very simple curry paste, some herbs and a protein, in this case fish, and it's wrapped in banana leaves and then grilled over charcoal. And after about 20 minutes or so on the grill, you open it up to find a delicately textured, robustly flavoured, slightly smoky curry that's been steamed in its own juices. It looks like this, and it's absolutely fucking delicious. Let's make it, shall we? You'll find the full list of ingredients at the end of this video, but this is what they look like. We're going to grill some, and we're going to slice some up. Some of it's going to be pounded to make a curry paste. So we grill these things, and we also grill the shrimp paste. Sorry, I forgot to video that bit. Just get a nice char and everything, and then chop it all up to get ready to pound it. So warm up your arm, throw some salt in the mortar and pestle, and starting with the chilies, pound each ingredient, and this is important, one at a time until it's fully incorporated into the paste. Then add the next ingredient. This only takes about 5 minutes, but if you don't have a mortar and pestle, you could use your spice grinder to grind up the chilies, and then just cheekily add your lemongrass and galangal and just give it a quick pulse. Now you do that at your own risk. You're not supposed to put wet things in a spice grinder, but I find it works just fine in a pinch. Then you just throw the rest in a small blender and blitz it up. Next step is to grill our banana leaves to soften them up. This is another one of the very satisfying steps of making this particular dish. So much fun. And so is this. Large banana leaf on the bottom, small on the top, and then about 4 betel leaves. Sprinkle some Thai basil leaves over the top of that. Then add about a quarter of the fish and curry paste to each packet. And then sprinkle some makut lime leaves over the top. And then fold it up in a very simple fold over, pinch, and then fold up the tail, spin it around, pinch again, and fold it up and secure the whole thing with a toothpick. Easy peasy, like it says on the screen. Now you just chuck it on the medium hot charcoal, about 10 minutes each side. What you want to do is you want to check and see the level of char on the bottom. This is good. It could go further. The further you take the bottom side, the better, because the betel leaves and the basil leaves get really cooked and slightly caramelized, and it's really, really delicious. And it's simple as that. Now let's unwrap it again, because frankly it never gets old. I mean, look at it. Oh, yum. So delicious. Wish you could smell it. Here it is served up with some sticky rice and some Asian grains, but to be honest you could just eat it straight off the grill. Oh, and make sure you use your hands because it tastes way better, okay? Oh yeah, if you have any questions on the recipe or comments that you'd like to make, feel free to hit me up. Like and subscribe would be great. And that's it. See you next time. Thanks very much. Bye.